He did way before all of this stuff, so shout out to him. You know what I mean? And we're gonna just get into this record by, by Smoke DZA and Flying Lotus, man. This joint is called Spiritual. The beat on this joint is hot, you know what I mean? And that'll be the first half of our show for the day. And then we'll be back with the part 2 of it, you know what I mean?
Right.
So just stay tuned for that, you know what I mean? That is a fact, you know how we do on Sound Show Radio, right, y'all?
Right.
Always displaying the hottest every 2 to 3 BTF, you know what I mean?
Right.
Right, so we're gonna get into this record. All music displayed for promotional use only. This is by Smoke DZA and Flying Lotus. The joint is called Spiritual. You know what I'm saying?
Y'all heard it here.
Right, that's a fact, man. You know what I'm saying?
Harlem, stand up.
We're gonna get into this record real quick, and then we'll take like 10-15 minute break, and then we'll come right back with the second half of the show, the part 2 of today's 2-show special, right, y'all?
Yes, sir.
You know how we do, man. Shout out to the homie DZA. Shout out to Flying Lotus, man. This joint is called Spiritual. All
Silence.
Played for promotional use only. Shout out to the homie Smoke DZA. Shout out to Smoke
As I roll
DZA.
this
You already
herb.
know.
Fuck what you know, fuck what you heard.
Shout out to Personal Party Podcast, right, so hot?
Right.
When the time is right, we gonna go in there and talk, you know what I'm saying? Let's go.
Really?
Shout out to Show Broadway. You know how we do it, baby. We play nothing but hot music here on Sound Show Radio. You know what I mean? No matter where we are, you know what I mean? We just carve our way. Being here at DTF didn't make us, man. We made our way here at DTF. You know what I mean? Let's go, Sound Show Radio.
Master sermons, Kush God for the lyrical. Roll up a list of what's about to get spiritual. Faith in the man upstairs, never a miracle. My beliefs is better than yours, not being biblical. Top tier as it appears, I can't finish you.
Visualize the
They never mention you, still you shit. That's what they tend to do. This shotty got a couple of bodies and an extendo too. Hold a hate, holding up H.
Production.
Pasta 400 to Kobe States. Most these niggas trash, but you overrated. Nigga go to school, you know
Today's the vibe out there. Play heat.
OG pack flipper, this is vintage Harleys. Hit the box with the Centon bomb. On the highway like I'm a Teflon Don. Master sermons, Kush God to the lyrical. Roll up the list, so it's about to get spiritual. Master sermons, Kush God to the lyrical. Roll up a list, so it's about to get spiritual.
Roll up the rhythm, it's about to get spiritual. Alright.
Shit. Shout out to everybody who supports us. Sound Show Nation is over 100 plus strong. We got the whole city behind us, right?
Right.
What the fuck is niggas talking about? We built this shit from the ground up. We started this shit from the fucking living room of the crib to 113 episodes. Let us be in the line to get a deal for what we're doing. I'm so proud of us, y'all. No matter what we going through. Sound Show Radio, the incredible ones. Shout out to my cousin out here, that's San 77. Always with us, even if he's not. Spoke to him yesterday on the phone, right, nigga, baby? Yeah, you know how we do Sound Show every Saturday, 2 to 3, man. We always displaying the hottest independent and mainstream hip-hop and R&B from artists all over the world, man. Like I said, we've been putting in work for years, man, and people are enjoying what we're doing. It's just time to turn it up and take it to the next level, man, so more people could be aware of something like this. You know what I mean? It's nothing like Sound Show Radio, man.
Nothing like
Stay
that.
tuned for part 2 of the show, and we holler right back at y'all, man.
Roll up a lizard, tell them to get spiritual.
D-Right Bizzle.
Yeah, that shit was
D-Right back, you
incredible.
guys. Mwah.
Roll up the liver.
That was incredible.
About
That's
to
all
get
right there.
spirit.